Hey guys, I'm Randy Cabrera, Sea-Doo Ambassador, and if you're considering a personal watercraft or looking for new ways to experience water activities with your friends and family, I'm going to give you some insights into the lifestyle. Owning a personal watercraft is how I live life to the fullest. It's also how I step away from my day-to-day and create some great memories and spend time with my family on the water. I've also created a huge community around this activity, which means I'm constantly meeting new people, organizing activities, and going on trips with family and friends. Sea-Doos are simple to drive, easy to dock and trailer, they're affordable, and also easy to own. They open up so many activities and opportunities on the water that are fun for just one person or the entire family. Here's some good info I wish I had when I first started in the PWC world. Actually, let's take a step back. First, let me explain what a personal watercraft is. This often answers a lot of questions within the research and comparison process. Personal watercraft, or PWC, are recreational vessels that typically carry 1 to 3 riders. They're quite small in size, which makes them easy to store and tow, and most of today's PWCs are water jet propelled. Sea-Doo watercraft are powered by a variety of Rotax 4-stroke engines that are known for their reliability, efficiency, and are extremely easy to operate and maintain. And they range in power from the 60 horsepower in the Spark models all the way up to the adrenaline-pumping 300 supercharged horsepower for the seasoned riders. With those engines come some really smart Sea-Doo technology that makes operating a watercraft very easy and safe. All Sea-Doo watercraft offer push-start operation, reverse, and on-water braking. You may think, of course, an on-water vessel should have all of these things, but not all brands offer this. And even boats do not offer an on-water braking. So, these are great features that make docking and launching and loading so much easier. As an example, using reverse is as simple as pulling a bicycle brake lever. You just pull the lever and you're in reverse. It gives you so much confidence on the water. Before I owned a watercraft, I always questioned how much maintenance is involved, or how much is this thing going to cost me to keep up. I was stoked when I found out just how easy Sea-Doos are to maintain, and the cost of ownership is low as well. These are the main maintenance things you'll need to know. They need an annual oil change. They need to be rinsed and flushed each time you go in salt water. It's super simple, only takes about 5 minutes. And Sea-Doo is a bit easier than others to flush because it has an exclusive closed-loop cooling system. The whole idea here is that Sea-Doo was designed to be low maintenance and super reliable. So, what else do you need to know? Well, you need a good understanding of boating rules and regulations, and there may be a PWC license you need to get as well. You will also need to have the right onboard equipment and riding gear to safely use a PWC. Your local dealer can help with these, but onboard equipment are things like fire extinguisher, flare, anchor, and rope. The proper riding gear are things like a Coast Guard approved life jacket, neoprene shorts, a rash guard, and sun protection as examples. Again, your Sea-Doo dealer or marina will typically know what's required, so it's best to consult with them so you know the local rules. And once you've taken that leap to become a family member in the PWC community, a few additional tips. 1, ensure you take time to get comfortable with the controls. 2, understanding the environment you're going to be riding within. Everything from weather patterns to marine maps. It makes such a difference when you can confidently take the family out and know that you can get yourself out of trouble should anything unexpected change. Another point for consideration with PWC ownership is towing and storage. And I can tell you that the size of these vessels is such an advantage. Let's tackle towing first. Sea-Doos are light enough that they can be trailered with virtually any vehicle with a trailer hitch. Just check your vehicle's towing capacity against the Sea-Doo unit weight on the Sea-Doo website. Most people can move these around their driveway or garage just by pushing them if they need to, and a single Sea-Doo and trailer take up less space in the garage than an average sedan, or you can store the vessel outside. I would strongly recommend that you get a cover for your Sea-Doo. Sea-Doo makes custom-fitted covers for each model, and I highly recommend one of these. It's going to ensure that dust, rain, or anything else stays off the Sea-Doo while it's stored. Overall, they are really simple to move around and easy to store.
Hopefully we've answered a few questions about PWC ownership. Now that you've got the basics and might be interested in learning a little bit more, visit your local dealer or Sea-Doo.com, where you'll find a great wealth of knowledge to help you choose the perfect Sea-Doo.